Yeah. E wo o mai le ka maro I le pale o roa le masanginga o makamaka I runga I YouTube. Oh, Diesel Brothers. They're always on YouTube here in Utah. Yeah. Mga ngayon le ako pale o roa. Wale. Ay, wale kama. That's the guy right there. Yeah. He's the man. Is he? See? Labangaya, they do on YouTube. It's my favorite show. This guy.
It's a crowbar.
Yeah. Hey. Tenka. Wow. Is this the boat that they use when they go to rescue or look for people on the lake?
Yep.
Wow. Wow.
Here, we can go take a look at that real quick.
Hey.
Yeah, he's got an online podcast.
Wow.
He's like, man, you gotta take me to the diesel guys. Okay.
You see? Baale le whaangai lo bangai lunga lako show le lunga YouTube le o e su e kanga kai le vai. Kanga mau maliu mo le vai. It's the boat.
We just we changed the camo on it, updated it for this year, this coming year. New controls, everything's all digital, all glass, GPS, side scan sonar. The most important thing is we've added this, winch.
Wow. Mang ai le ba. Go vai ko mai tenka. Nice. Wow. Le o mai I le warehouse le Diesel Brothers. Go check them on YouTube. Yeah. Here. Ora lako nga ire pu e ko lako video runga YouTube ma lako show I Utah. Ora lako le vaara le faanga le vanga se fe mai e su e kanga kai nga maliu le lake I runga le. Wow. I can't believe I'm here. I've been watching these guys for a long time. Wow.
We just try to set everything up.
Give a shout out these guys. Thank you for letting us in.
Yeah, no problem, man.
Thank you.
Yeah.
He's the man. Wow. Can't believe I'm here. I was telling him I had to go see this. Wow. So you guys gonna still keep the shop, huh?
Yeah, nothing's going away.
Oh, okay.
No, we just had to get rid of some stuff. It was too cluttered. We had too much stuff in here.
Yeah. Over there. That's the man. Diesel Brothers. You see? Check them out on YouTube. My favorite show. Wow. So everything's about to clear out, huh? A lot of people come and yeah. It's funny, like every time I see people that come, I have to go look for their YouTube so I can see what they're looking for.
Nice.
Yeah. Man. This is nice. Ever since I started, this show has motivated me to go look for CTL.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then now I'm driving trucks. I was like, that's what it's all because of this show.
Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
We do some crazy stuff, and then
Oh yeah.
yeah, been able to just have guys pick up and do their own thing. There's a lot of guys that do some of the crazy stuff we do. No one knows who they are. They were doing it long before we were, and they'll be doing it long after.
Wow.
Yeah, we're just fortunate enough that Dave's a likable guy, and we got camera guys.
Good.
Yeah, there's tons of guys out there doing good work.
Wow. Man, this is cool.
And we can't be everywhere. So I mean, like the rescue stuff we do, we need 500 guys doing that stuff nationwide. It's just
Whatever happened to that moto home, those old school car that when they pick it up, is it California or somewhere, and they left it to someone like their friend's house.
oh, the RV.
Yeah, the RV.
It's still there.
we
We gotta go get it. We gotta go get it.
Man, that episode was funny.
Yeah, it's still there. We gotta go pick it up.
It was like, we're going to just leave it here. Let's go. Wow, this is a nice boat.
Yeah, they're about to throw the bumpers back on it.
Oh,
We'll be ready to go.
nice. Wow. So, let's go. Thank you, brother.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you. I'm going to buy something. I have to buy something. My wife's going to get so mad because she went with her sister to do the shopping.
Oh, yeah?
She didn't even know I'm coming over here. She's
yeah.
going to get pissed off. You was like, why you didn't tell me? I want to come too. Yeah, I'm gonna buy some shirt. I have to buy a sweater for this guy. For me. Hardware company. How much should I pack that? How much? It is 70 for the backpack? Oh, I'm taking this. Oh, this is.
Yeah, that one's full of.
Oh.
Full of laundry.
Yeah.
You want a black one?
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, so you can pick two patches. So those ones have the yellow flag and this on it, but you can pick any two you want.
Yeah. I'll take the yellow one. Bless you.
Would that be everything?
Yep. Yep.
Okay,
Thank you.
7508.
Thank you.
Would you like a receipt?
No, I'm good.
You're all good to go.
Yep. Look what I got. Thank you, guys. Thank you, brother. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Cô vợ cả phải đi. See all these cars, these trucks. Kawale umaya, all these cars, they all been shows on the show. All these trucks. Look. Nice. Kawale umaya ngayon ng show. Look at the bus. Yep, that's the whole. That's his shop. The Diesel brother, that's their shop. That you see on got me a pack. Thank you, Diesel brothers.